is Shravani Chittaranjan Takle. I am from HSCP High School, Zupana. I am in 10th standard and I am going to talk about exoplanets. Now, first question may arise in your mind that what's an exoplanet? An exoplanet or extrasolar planet is a planet which is out of our solar system. On November 4, 2013, astronomers reported, based on Kepler space mission data, that there could be as many as 40 billion exoplanets which are orbiting to the sun-like stars and red dwarf stars within the Milky Way galaxy. It's amazing as this is the huge number. One of the Earth-like planets among these exoplanets is Kepler 1649c, which is orbiting to the red dwarf star and lies 300 light years from our Earth. There might be life on this planet because of this right range of distance where liquid water could exist on the surface. The most similar planet to the Earth is Kepler 452b. It is mini-Neptune instead of super Earth. It is about 1400 light years from our solar system. To find life on this exoplanet, scientists observe geographical features of the exoplanet like ocean, land, atmosphere, etc. After some research, NASA said there might be life on exoplanets which are in habitable zone, but we haven't confirmed it. So we are working on the telescope which can give detailed information about each exoplanet and life on that planet. Another interesting fact is that some exoplanets may have greater variety of creatures or species than exist on the Earth. About this, Dr. Stephanie Olson said, it shows us that conditions on some exoplanets with favorable ocean circulation pattern could be better suited to support life, which is more abundant, more active and more developed than life on Earth. The nearest exoplanet from our solar system is Proxima Centauri B. It is only at 4.25 light years from our solar system. Astronomers also found that one of the exoplanets, named as Kepler 1625b, also has an exomoon. Because of these wonderful facts, astronomers are now addicted to find another home for human beings, exactly like our Mother Earth. Our next generation may be located on the Earth-like planet. That's why organizations like Isro, NASA contributing in the research about this unknown universe. That's why we should have to thankful our asteroids which are working for the progression of human beings. But this is just the beginning. Thank you.